Hey guys, it's Jess, and today's video I wanted to talk about my light and humidifier setup, I guess, because one of my viewers requested this video. The setup, or at least, yeah, the setup will be changed a bit just because I am going to be buying a stronger light, one of those like red and blue ones that you see on Amazon, just because I did get how many orchids? Four Vandas from Modes when they had the import sale. So we'll have to be buying a strong light for them, and so it's just going to be an extension. Everything else is going to be staying the same, even though over the weekend I kind of changed how I had my orchids organized, just because I didn't like that my catasetums were everywhere. So yeah, I'll show you guys first my setup, and then I'll tell you guys more about the lights. So in here, like in the middle right here, you'll see right here, there's gonna be like 4 or 5 catasetums. I don't know if you guys can see them all. And yeah, I bought these orchids on impulse when I went to Kroger. This is, look how pretty that is. This is a dendrobium, and then these two are phals. Look at, let me show you guys. Look at this. Isn't it so pretty? And it kind of has like the lip resembles a lot like a species lip. It doesn't have like those weird like horns, I guess, whatever they're called, or teeth. So yeah, I have 2, but one of them will be going to my orchid friend Jess, who sent me the package. So I'll be sending her some things. So I might make a video about how to pack orchids. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But yeah, I kind of changed this underneath right here. There's kind of, you can't see it, but there's like a plastic dome with sphagnum moss. So yeah, to keep the humidity up a bit because it's really low. So I need to bring my big humidifier. Anyways, yeah. Right here, it's all catasetum and flask. And then here is everything else. And this is mostly species, phal species, rescues, and these 2 that didn't fit there, and this one right here. So yeah, the lights, I get them from Walmart, and this is the light I get. It's 65 watts, as you can see here, and it is white light. I don't like the blue and red light. I know I don't like it, but I am gonna be getting that light for the Vandas just because I can't find a strong white light. So yeah, that'll have to do, even though it's gonna make my room seem like a party room. So yeah, I get these at Walmart, and they're like 15, 16 for me. Now I have 4 of these because I added that light right here. That light right there, I added it. So now I have 4 lights. And they seem to be working fine for me. I actually, you can see right here, my Vanda right here actually got sunburned by the light. So yeah, they don't seem that strong, but they are. Yeah, the humidifier right now that I have is a very, very small one. It's right here, and you just open the top, and it has like a little cup there, and you just pour water. I will be bringing the one I have from home, and it's like bigger, so it'll probably go underneath the Vandas, just so it can create humidity for the roots, and it will also create humidity for the other orchids around it. So yeah, I have tried to look for other lights, like those fluorescent lights, like the T8s, but I just don't have the space for them, so yeah, that will have to wait until I get my apartment or something, or until I get like a real job after I graduate college. So that will have to wait. So in the meantime, I just have these lights, and like I said, they seem to be working fine. So my plants seem happy. I mean, they're spiking. You see that one spiking. That's due to the temperature drop, but you can see it's going towards the light. So is this one. This one only has 3 buds, but you know what? It was a rescue this year, and that spike is from a keiki, so yeah, I'll let it be. And look at this. This is my first phal that I ever rescued, and it's so pretty. I forgot what the blooms had looked like, so yeah, it started opening its blooms maybe like 2 days ago, so it's definitely liking light because it's going towards the light, and it'll create like a nice how do I call it? I don't even know. It's too early for this. The flowers won't be facing everywhere. At least I don't think so. These two will be facing the same way, just because look at the direction the petals are facing. So that's what this one was doing, but it's really pretty. And yeah, that's what I have. I also have these. I've mentioned them before. I got them from Amazon. They were like $8. And they read my humidity and my temperature. And they also give you the highs and the lows. So you can see the low from the past, I think it's like 7 days or something. It has been 68. And the low was in the past. Oh, this is temperature Fahrenheit. And this is the humidity. So this has been my lowest. So I definitely need something, because the high is not that high. So yeah, here it is. Yeah, if you guys have any more questions that I haven't answered with the humidity and light setup, please let me know. I just talked about how I have it. I'm not saying these are the best lights, but these are lights that are, 1, they're affordable, 2, they're convenient for me to get, and 3, I have, like, my orchids don't seem to hate them. They get the light. They want, obviously you do have to put the orchids, like, depending where your light is. So you can see right here the Cattleyas and the Vandas are going to be closer than the Phalaenopsis. Same here. The species get more light just because they like more light. So yeah. Right here the Cataseums do like light too, so they get a good amount of light. Here it is. Yeah, if you guys have any more questions, like I said, about this setup, let me know and I will answer them. Yeah, and once my setup changes again, I will probably make another video just so you guys can see how I'm gonna be growing my Vandas now in my dorm room. So if you like the video, please leave a like, comment down any future videos you guys want me to do, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys.